guys, welcome to Crazy Creativity with Vedant, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make a paper lantern. I know we made a paper lantern, but this time we are going to make a hanging paper lantern. Yeah, a hanging paper lantern. So to make this type of hanging paper lantern, you will be requiring these materials. So guys, now to make our hanging paper lantern, first we need to take a A3 paper. Now we are not going to cut or paste anything on this A3 paper. You could take a colorful A4 paper or a plain simple black A3 paper like I have taken. Now we will take our stapler and we'll just roll this a little bit and we'll align it properly. And we'll just staple it from the bottom as well as the top. So guys, now after stapling it looks something like this, like a big hole. Now we will take any of our papers, the square we cut out of A4 papers, and we need to keep these parts, the ones that come out from the bottom. While we cut these, we need to keep these parts for the flames which will come here down. Now I have one of our square papers. Now we'll take our stapler and we will once again staple it over here like this. Now once we do this, we will align this properly and we will once again staple it over here like this. So now I have done this to one of our papers. Now similarly, I will do it with the remaining papers I have. So guys, now I have done this to two of the sides. Now this part in the middle, I am also going to put this over here, and the next lamp we are going to put it over here. So let me quickly do that. So guys, now I stick all the four of these, and now for the in the middle I have four more of these. I have four more of these in different colors, which each of them I am going to stick it in the middle. So let me quickly do that, then I will show you how does the final look like. So guys, now stick the remaining of these lamps over here. And now the thing I was talking about, these small papers, we are going to stick them on the bottom part like these, and we are going to cut these. So what will happen if we cut these will become flames. So our lamp will get a even nice and attractive look. So let me quickly do that, then I will show you how does it look. So guys, now I am ready with these flames. Now what will we do is, we will take this and from the bottom part we will apply some glue on these and we will just stick them like these over here. Now I know it may be a little bit tough to understand because I am not able to hold this properly on camera because the height of my camera is very small. So please adjust with it. But the final look will be looking something like this from the down. So let me quickly stick these. So guys, now I stick it from the down and it looks something like this. And now the only thing left is from the top, where we are going to attach a ribbon, like it becomes holdable for anyone who likes to hold it. So let me bring my ribbon. So yeah, I'm back in the outro. I'll tell you why did I do it like this. But this is how our lantern looks like finally. I have sticked these fire things on the bottom, and I have also sticked this. This is a small diya which will cover the stapler which we sticked. And yeah, this is how the lantern was made. And now I'll tell you why did I shoot it like this. Because when I was shooting from up, I did not know, but most of you must have faced this issue that you could not see the lantern properly. That is why I chose to switch in this mode. And yeah, so yeah, this is how the final project looks like. It's something like this. I have even attached a ribbon on the top from which you can carry it or hang it. So yeah, that was it for today's video. If you liked today's video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.